So I'm gonna go ahead and show you from this. And I'm gonna put a blow dry protection and heat protection cream. This is also from Borogio. I'm not a sponsor. I'm very small channel sponsorship, but yeah, I just generally like Borogio product. They're good so far. I mean, they're suiting with my hair type, so I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit of this, like about that quarter size. Now before that, I should have put the Redken Pillow Proof Blow Dry Express Primer Base Express. This one right here. So I'm gonna spray that all over my hair. Okay, now that's spread all over. I'm just gonna go ahead, mix it up, and put it through my ends and then top. Alright, so now I'm done putting the heat protection on my hair. Now this is the Dyson AIRWRAP. I'm going to touch this and use the blow dryer part. So now you see this is pretty much lightly damp dry. It's not fully dry. So what I like to do is part it in the middle, and then I'm gonna take a portion of the side and attach all my hair in like little alligator clip like this. Either you can have that or small or big, whatever size you can get. Change this blow dryer from this to the round brush. Let's start the process. So that literally took 1 minute, less than that. Yeah, 1 minute. Not even 1 minute, less than that I would say. Release the other side and do the same thing with this side. Take a small portion and clip the rest of the hair back and go ahead and work on this one. So that took literally half second, and this one is in the setting right here. If you can see, there's a coal, here's the hot, and then hot. So I'm on the hot, second hot, not the higher one, and the fan is all the way up. It's pretty good. I actually really like this product. What I'm gonna do is just gather these two dry portion of the hair, since they're really skinny, so the clip won't hold on to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little one of these, you see, little rubber thingy up and on to the next one. Now that is done, what I'm going to do is I put 2 different oil. One is the, what is this called? Olaplex number 7. And the other one is this right here. Just 1 squirt and 2 drops, 3 drops, I guess. And mix it up. And I'm gonna go from the bottom to the top. And whatever left on my fingers, on my palm, just brush it through. So this is the final result. Yep. What do you guys think?